kick off day. Kick off means to begin or start. Kick off mana shuru kawal ya ham shuru kidal te ki transitive or intransitive dwana verbs ki deshi. Every day a drama kicks off on a new channels. Har roz pe nave channel ki your drama shuru kigi. So I'm not taking any more of your time, so let's kick off today's class. Misal this as no waqna ni sam razu dan no class shuru karo. No kick off yo dar to dear karo dan ke phrasal verb de pa mana da shuru kawal ya ham da shuru kidal usakha de. Kick off shuru kawal ya ham shuru kidal. Okay, next phrasal verb that we have is deal with. Deal with means to handle. معاملة کول یا رفتار کول د یو سخت سچويشن یا د یو سخت حالت سره هغه معاملة یا هم رفتار کول ته deal with ویل کیږي. یو ستونزه وي یو مشکل وي هغه سره تاسو کم ډول هغه ریاکشن تر سره خوي هغه ته deal with ویل کیدای شي. Send Arnab Gwami to hospital. He can easily deal with low BMP patients. دغه د ډاکټر نوم دی د هسپتال ته لیکي دی په اسانۍ سره هغه کسانو چې لو BMP patients وسی د دیو هغه علاج کوي شي د دیو سره یو ډول معاملې کوي شي کوم د ناروغي ده. So misal bal workama za agada chi me and my friend had an argument recently, and finally we deal with each other and solve all the problems in obstacles and arguments we've had recently. So if you want to buy something in a store or in a shop, first you need to deal with the shopkeeper and try to buy things in a reasonable price. Deal with mana yani yo sasara maamila yam raftar kawal. Next phrasal verb chide mang sura act up de. Act up means misbehave, for people not work properly. इंसान लपरा कारी की चिकले खराबियां न कहीं बद अखलाक़ी कहीं नावड़ा रेविया के आओ आन दी मशीन्स लपरा कारी की चिकले मशीन्स उस लगे कंप्यूटर या बल सा चागा दुरुस्त कार न के नावड़ा रेविया के वल बद अखलाक़ी के वल या हम खकार या रिजल्ट न वर्क वल ता act up वल की PUBG players always act up while playing. The PUBG लोवाड़ हमेशा नावड़ा रेविया के या रफ्तार के भी कलेची गेम के भी. So recently my computer has acted up, so I got repaired it and now it's working really smoothly. Next one we have beg off. Beg off means decline an invitation. Dawat ya ballan namanal ya gukhtan radawal. I was invited for collecting 15 lakh but I beg off. Z dawat kade shayo ma chi 15 lakh rupees da won kama but lekin ma da dawat na man I begged off. So guess the person who invited me, whatever. Next one is bear up. Bear up means to face hardships bravely. دستونزو سره مخ کېدل یا مبارزه کول د سختۍ سره زغمل په ځان سخته تیرول bear up معنا ول کېږي. Anna Hazard tried to bear up against corruption in India. دغه ښځه یا د کس وایي په انډیا کې د فساد خلاف مبارزه وکړله. Next one is call off. To call off means to cancel. Call off معنا to cancel یا ختمول پای ته رسول یا cancel کول ته ویل کېږي. یو میټینګ وي یو زنګ وي یا داسې ورته کوم بل چیز. We had to call off the meeting because I had to eat momos. Mang bayad da meeting se shekade wa call off kade wa yani khatam kade wa zaka ma bayad momos khode wa. Make a sentence. Next we have stand for. Stand for mana represent. Namaindagi kawal, difa kawal, himaya kawal devcha. ES stands for englishsummary.com. ES chide way the silapara kari the englishsummary.com lapara da ES chide namaindagi ke biya the aga shortcut there. So you have to stand for your rights. تاسو باید د خپل حقوق دفاع وکړئ. Bump into. Bump into means to meet by chance. یو چا سره ناڅاپي مخ کېدلو یا ملاوېدل ته bump into ویل کېدای شي. I bumped into Salman Khan in the train. He said, I'm your fan. په ناڅاپي ډول سره سلمان خان سره په ټرین کې مخ شوم. راته ویلې چې مینه وهل دی مستا. So next one is look forward to. To look forward to means await eagerly. یو څه ته ډیر په تمه انتظار کول سترګې په لار. یو تر ټولو ډیر کارېدونکی phrasal verb دی look forward to. Looking forward to your hearing from you. په دې انتظار یم چې تاسو نه څه واورم. Make a sentence. And this is going to be the last phrasal verb of our today's lecture and that is rip off. Rip off means cheat, charge too much. درغلي کول دوکه کول او ډیر زیات پیسې ترې اخیستل عموما په خریداري کې دا phrasal verb کاریږي چې کله تاسو خریداري وکړئ او تاسو نه ډیر پیسې واخلئ. This is called rip off. People nowadays love to visit those restaurants that rip them off. نن سبا خلک خوښوي چې هغه رستورانټونو ته لاړ شي چې دوی نه ډېر زیات پیسې اخلي. This morning I bought this new book and the shopkeeper literally ripped me off. نن سهار ما دا کتاب واخیسته خو دوکاندار پر ما ډېر زیاتې پیسې چارج کړلې یا یې واخیستلې رانه. Okay guys, and that's all for our today's phrasal verb of the day. I hope guys you watched the video. Until I join you in the next session of phrasal verbs, it's goodbye.